Hello and welcome back to my channel. I was fixing this Apple IIc keyboard and decided to make a quick video. As you can see, the original key was not working at all. The switch never stayed down. Nope, try, but it doesn't work. Fortunately, I had a spare one from an old keyboard. I take my desoldering gun and suck away those soldering points. If you, like me, sucks at desoldering things, I highly recommend this tool. Makes the job easier and very clean. Yeah, this thing is toast. While I fit the new key switch, I'll give you another tip. If your caps lock switch ever fails, you actually have two more in your keyboard. That's right, the 4080 and the keyboard switches next to the reset are the exact same key switch. Sometimes I swap it for the keyboard switch, as that switch is rarely used by anybody. I like to add a drop of flux before I solder anything. It makes life easier. I like to give it a little touch to all the points at the end, just to make sure that everything went well and blended perfectly. Here I realize there's a little issue. The soldering base have been lost, but I realize this is just one feet that holds it. No worries here. Before I test it, I like to clean up all the flux with alcohol, 99%. And here comes the moment of truth. Let's see if it works. And it works. Thank you for watching. Remember to share, subscribe, and see you next time.